real talk, just rap pack. Besides that, nobody I trust.
Back again like I never left. Young Sinatra, that's to the death. We turned up till we go deaf.
Hi guys, and welcome to Project WRC. Today, this is the delivery day of the car. I've just had an email. I've just had a message from the guy. He says the car has been picked up this morning and it's been shipped over. I don't know what it says shipped. It's going to be driven over. It's going to be delivered. I think they live in London, so it's about a 4-hour drive. But this is the collection video of my new project car. Let's get into this. So the car has arrived. I'm literally running down the stairs, put my shoes on. The car has arrived. The car. Right, next cut. Here it is. Right guys, there's the car, WRC. Right guys. Here we go. We are in the new project car. So, as you've seen, it is a Mark 1 Focus ST 170, which is the 2-litre non-naturally aspirated engine. I know absolutely nothing about these cars, so we're going to go on a roller coaster of figuring out what it is, what they sort of are about, how quick they are, and everything about them. Let's go! So big shout out to recoveryforcars.co.uk. They delivered my car all the way from London, so I appreciate it, as at the moment we can't travel. Got here safe and sound. It took about 5 hours the journey to get to us, but much appreciated. Thank you. So she is off the I guess so. So the project car, she's off the breakdown truck, pickup truck, the recovery truck. So she's off the truck. Here she is. So it is a 2003 Mark 1 Focus ST 170 in a nice grey. I'm going to do a proper walk around later on in the week. So this is just basically getting the car, showing you guys this is going to be WRC'd. This car is going to have a WRC kit on it. It's going to be crazy. I've got lots of videos planned, lots of parts ordered. It's a bit rough around the edges. I'll show you in the walk around later on in the week, but it's a project car. That's what it is. It's going to get wrapped. Oh, spoiler. But yeah, here she is, Mark 1 Focus ST 170. I've said that like 8,000 times in this video. I'm just excited. So yeah, this car, I'm going to put a WRC kit on it. I'm going to go through the whole car in a walk around video. But this is just sort of my initial reaction, collecting the car and just basically experiencing it. Look, this is my project car. It's crazy. I've now fully invested in the channel. This car is going to be completely different in just a few weeks. So just stay tuned. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.